We are live. Yes. Yes, sir. Granada. Weekend bag. Ready to go.
Mom's sending us off. Mom's sending.
Luna decided to spontaneously book us a trip to Ghana. Look at this tiny ass elevator. This is our elevator. Oh my god.
Come on. Come. Get in here.
We're gonna fit. Get in, girl.
Press the. Did somebody press the button?
Oh, someone
Do the mirror.
come here, mom.
Oh my god.
It's not that. Move your arm. There we go.
Oh my god, that scared me. I do not want to get stuck like that.
We are in the blah blah car. On the way, we're waiting for our second other person to hop in the car.
Yeah, we're jam packed in here. That's what BlaBlaCar is. You don't know what you're gonna get.
And especially if you book last minute.
It was like 12 for both of us.
Yo creo que ahora me pondré a descansar una media horita.
We're like 10 minutes away now. And we're literally, get this, we're literally in the same area that we were in 6 months ago. Like we had an Airbnb out here in the same area, so we were like, wait a minute, we recognize this place.
That's the keyhole.
The keyhole. We're about to get to the hostel hopefully soon.
We're just gonna check in and then get some food.
Yep.
And watch the sunset. Oh, remember we went up there? We had an Airbnb up there.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Dude, we were all up in this bitch. All right, stay tuned.
Sarah.
Cigarette juice. So I barely showed y'all the hostel, but we went into the hostel and now we're on my sister's literally favorite street and we're back.
We're back.
We're back, baby.
It's so beautiful. It's like a Arabic market
We're
here.
gonna go get food and then we're gonna see the sunset.
In Mirador de San Nicolás.
Everybody's style, dude, is top notch. They're wearing what I want. I wonder where they're all going though.
They're probably going to the Mirador, bro.
Oh shit, we need to get food and go up.
So we should get it to go then.
Yeah, we should get it to go and watch it up. And
Yeah.
alright, cut the cameras, dead end. You get 10 seconds, go. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Cutie, where should we eat? Yes, of the Moroccan culture. Don't get ran over.
And we're gonna go to my favorite restaurant called
Something vegan.
Something in Vida. To get a barak.
Barek, even though I don't want that. Oh my god, her outfit eats. Her outfit eats. I've been saying that like all day though.
Everyone, dude, why are you filming your mouth? The car.
Ah shit. Is it behind us? Alright. We need better etiquette.
Efectivo, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Okay. Para mí el borek.
So that we're saying it's looking like there's a lot of people over the age of 45. Yeah. So not much luck for you, my friend. Tell them where we at though. Tell them
We're at Papas Elvira. This is the crack spot. They got all this type of delicious food, and I always come here. It's literally so small, like from that wall to this wall.
She makes me come here. Well, it's just I've had good stuff and I've had bad. But I got 2 empanadas de pollo, and I'm hoping that they're good because I love empanadas.
She's obsessed. Yeah. Look, we're right outside.
Wow, guys, it's so pretty, but it's so freaking packed.
Yeah, let's go.
So Luna wants to take us to a park or something. I guess she knows a spot. Smile. This is like the memories of that pretty wife that dies in the beginning of the movie. That's a compliment.
One day we'll die.
Don't say that. What the
You'll
heck?
remember me. Only.
Golden hour. This is Luna's low-key spot with, she said, more of the locals and shit. So, taste test. That smells good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already ate one empanada because I could not hold it. I'm so hungry.
What the heck? Why is it so freaking hard? My mouth is. There is no taste test need to be done because I know it's bomb.
Ooh, that sauce look good. Worse? Nah. Ooh, I was about to put it right there. Nope. We're just gonna leave it right there. So we should just go straight into the dessert, right? Chicken. I'm gonna dip it in some of that sauce. Bomb. Right, we're gonna eat it. You want it?
It's like a Snickers.
Snickers? I feel like I've tried this before.
Yeah, maybe you have. Oh, flute? What the hell? I used to play flute.
I think he's sparking up. I don't think that's a flute.
Girl, that's a flute. I know the difference. I'm holding it with 2 hands.
Maybe it's a big flute.
And they asked like, oh, is she in there? And I was like, yeah.
Oh my god.
And then I was like, oh,
I think I
fuck.
remember. Yeah.
Wait a minute, girl.
Oh my
Wait
god.
a minute.
Oh, there's brownies. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. I don't know. That thing got me real empalagada. You know what I mean? So
Yeah,
I
you
didn't
should
want
drink
anything.
water. But it was good, right? The little thing.
I mean, it definitely steered me away from eating any more. So it did the job.
Yeah.
It's so weird going back to a place like 6 months later. Because we were like in a hostel nearby here. And like I just remember like what I was thinking about and like going throughout that time.
Oh yeah.
And how much
so
has
different.
changed.
Oh, I love this. Look how beautiful like all of that architecture is.
Yeah. Anyway, we're about to spark up. We about to spark up.
Wait.
This is the view. You can't really see it, but it was hella crowded earlier, so.
And it still is, girl.
Oh yeah, it's hella crowded. Yeah. Do a little spin.
There's hella people here from everywhere. Beautiful.
I don't know if y'all can see
taking
the
their
background.
photo ops. Not too much, but there's a lot. It's hard to see, you know.
Cute. Camera, don't fall for me. I'm like scared to take a photo here, guys. Right. So this is the room tour. This looks way prettier during the day. But someone was in my bed. Yeah. And then I don't know. We walked in and the bed was all done. I was like, thank God I didn't leave anything on there.
It wasn't done. It was like somebody had been sleeping.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Goldilocks and the 3 bears. We were like, who has been sleeping in the bed? But they left their book and their phone. They left their phone. They couldn't have gotten that far. Yeah. They couldn't have gotten that far unless they don't care about their phone that much.
Oh, true. They left their phone?
Yeah, in between the book, charging.
What?
So.
They must be around here.
Yeah, I don't know why they didn't answer.
That's weird.
I'm not too sure. So we're debating if we should go to do the pub crawl tonight or tomorrow. But I barely got into this bed because we've been walking and moving around. Our little dilemma is that Luna looked in the mirror and was like, oh, I probably shouldn't do this after we're here already. So what we've decided is we think we want to lock in right now, right? So that
save
way we
our
can-
sleep,
Yes.
save our youth, save our energy.
Microorganisms.
We're gonna lock in for
Microbiorganisms.
summer.
Yes, so we can go
Summer.
when
We
it's
want to go to
worth it.
festivals.
Smoothies.
Because that's also why we came to Granada. We didn't just come for the party.
No, we came to like be in a city, have a little getaway, sister time. Sister time does not have to be fucked up time. You know,
Yeah.
we can just get high as shit. It's kind of fucked up.
And my ovaries are hurting.
And because her ovaries are hurting, I always get placebo, so now my ovaries are hurting. In the summer, at a festival. Yes. Yes. Women in STEM.
Girl math.
Girl math. So this justifies us getting stoned as fuck and going and getting some nice, yummy, warm food. Getting all
And
cozied up.
Having a good night's rest.
I feel safer.
Yeah, all girls. We out.
Alright, so I think this was our very clear sign that we should not have gone out because it is raining.
It's drizzling.
It's drizzling, it's wet, it's cold, and quite frankly, it's giving me Belfast vibes. So, no hate towards Belfast, but I am very, very over the cold weather. So, we are gonna go find food. We're trying to figure out what food and what we're gonna eat. But it's nice. The vibes are still good. I vote ice cream.
Bro,
I vote.
what are you gonna have for dinner?
I ain't even worried about dinner.
What I'm thinking is cheap is tapas.
We got falafels, and some empanadas, I guess. They look a little funny, but glad I got the falafel on accident. We are sparking up once again. Yoga with Adrian. Again.
Bro, that is so specific.
We're at this little spot where you know what they be doing over here. Cause what is that? And eat this velvet cupcake and take our ass to bed.
Cuidado. Hola.
Voy a pasar.
Pasa.
You look like you're gonna haunt me. Oh. It's because I'm a really loud person.
Go to the kitchen.
The kitchen.
We're not gonna eat in the bathroom. I'm not.
I don't know if I give y'all a room tour, but this is our hostel. We had 3 German girls in here, but they're all gone now. Also, hi. It is the next day. It is like almost 12, and we are getting ready to go grub. But yeah, we ended up just staying in and laughing at each other. We are here. What is this called, Luna?
No
At
idea.
some pretty building is where we're at. And we are heading to go get empanadas. We are all done. Getting ready.
Go on, tell us about the history of Granada.
I'm not quite sure, but there's a pretty building right here. I'm not quite sure what it does.
So this part is called Paseo de los Tristes. And they call it this because when
That's pretty.
because when there was back in the day. No, I don't know. I don't know.
Bullshit,
It sounds like
basically. Sounds like something that would be true.
Something like.
These are literally my favorite empanadas.
Y una salsa de chimichurri o de la que pinta.
These are the empanadas. Oh my
Os
god,
lo
like
digo porque
2 years ago.
La vida saldría por 14 más la salsa, 14,50. Entonces, antes de que
Strawberry on my lips, and you fingertips. Can feel the beat running through the speakers.
It's a tight fit.
And there's hella people, everybody's going this way, and then there's hella people going this way.
And then all of a sudden a car comes out.
yeah, and not just one car, it's like 3 in a row.
This one was the easy level.
Yeah.
That man just sniffed her.
That's real as fuck. Making sure your girl's clean. Men and
No, you have to keep it in the vlog.
Maybe she just got it done and he thought it smelled really good. Anyway,
It was just so random because she was not even like in
look
it.
at how pretty.
Bro, oh, this
looks
is
pretty
so
on
beautiful. This
Yeah.
is so beautiful.
To appreciate the beauty.
Granada is such a beautiful city.
I'm getting my energy back little by little with this water. Apparently, okay, so in Granada, one cool thing is that you can literally drink all of the water from the tap. And they have these little fountains that you can just fill up your water bottle wherever you are and drink some. That shit's magnificent.
Caught up in the moment, feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days.
So cute. All the time.
Ooh, got me feeling
Like, you got a lot of going right on there.
'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the high life.
And the kombucha.
Yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the high life. The right vibes and the tan lines keep a free mind. Yeah.
We are on the way to Stradivarius lingerie.
I wonder if men ever get like lingerie. Because there was like men boxers, like for themselves to impress their girlfriend.
Maybe if
You know
it's
what I
like
mean? I
maybe
feel
if they're
like
like
it's more
very
gifts from girls to the guys.
yeah. That's true. I don't know.
It's crowded than a motherfucker. Wow. Look at how pretty. Is it our echo? And all the people crowded around too.
Alright, we are walking and also I changed into something more comfy, so yeah, we're gonna head towards the Estación de Autobuses de Granada to head back home because we're cutting the trip a little short.
We got kicked out though because there's nowhere to book.
Yeah, honestly, we got kicked out of the city, to be honest. Vegan tattoos.
That's extra.
You're extra.
How long can you hold onto your breath for? It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me.
She doesn't know we're surprising her.
Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free.
Surprise!
'Cause we are so free.
¿A dónde?